Hello my followers, I hope you're having a wonderful day, as am I. I just finished watching and reading about the Apple Keynote that happened today on April 8th rather, of 2010, and I'm very happy to share the news and everything that I learned during this event. So today I'm just going to give you a rundown or sort of a synopsis or summary of the event. So guys, let's not waste any more time and jump right into this. So Steve Jobs actually presented this keynote event, which usually means that it's a very important day in Apple history. Jobs went over the iPad statistics, all the sales, all the ebooks downloaded, apps, all that good stuff. Next up, he went over the browser usage of all the phones in the world, or smartphones rather. Showed a pie chart up there, and it actually showed that the iPhone makes up 64% of browser usage in the world. Next up, he gave us an introduction to the OS 4, which is going to be the new name of the iPhone operating system, and he told us that that's going to come out in the summer of 2010, which I'm very excited about. Then he got on to say that there's going to be 100 new user features in OS 4, a few of which 5x digital zoom on the camera, a home screen wallpaper so you can put the wallpaper on your app pages. Finally, thank you Apple for listening to the community. He also continued to say that you're going to be able to get a Bluetooth keyboard connectivity, so you can connect a Bluetooth keyboard to your device. I'm not sure if it has to be Apple specific or if it can be any type of branded Bluetooth keyboard, but you can do that, so you can type emails quickly, instant messaging, text messaging. Also, multitasking. Boom! Thank you, Apple. Bravo! Thank you, Steve Jobs and the gang. Steve Jobs gave us a multitasking demonstration, just the basis of how it exactly works. And Jobs describes multitasking on the iPhone as, quote, very, very simple. Scott Forstall takes a stage and explains how Apple does their multitasking without really killing all of the iPhone's battery life. Now the Pandora developers take the stage and show browsing in Safari while listening to their application, the Pandora app. So they're listening to some music in that and web browsing at the same time, so it shows off some nice features of the iPhone multitasking. Apple will offer VoIP, or voice over IP, on the iPhone. Yeah, so you can use applications such as Skype to call people. Skype calls will come up as a pop-up notification in the status or notification bar on your iPhone, so you can actually talk on Skype while browsing the web or an application. Steve Jobs, I believe, says that now you're going to be able to do background location, so you can get turn-by-turn directions with the TomTom app or whatever GPS application that you're using. Also, you're going to get local notifications, which is a new feature in OS 4, and this is going to allow you to receive push notifications, but you won't need a server, so you'll just need your phone, so you can still receive push notifications without being connected to a server. Also, you're going to get a new feature called task completion. Now, an example of this is you can upload pictures to Flickr or Facebook while in another application, so you can still have it loading, or uploading rather, and be in another application, which is really nice. Another feature called fast app switching. Now, this is going to keep the state of an application when you're exiting the application. For example, you can run the app that you're in the background, and go in another application, and then come back and resume the app right where it was when you relaunch it. Folders. This is a cool feature. You can arrange similar applications in folders that you make by yourself, so it's going to work in conjunction with Spotlight as well, so you can Spotlight search on your iPhone for the folder that you make. So about this time in the event, Steve Jobs returns to the stage to explain the wallpaper and lock screen thing again. Next, they explain a unified inbox for all your mail accounts. Yes! So this is going to work with MobileMe, Yahoo, and multiple Microsoft Exchange accounts. You're also going to have the ability to open email attachments in third-party applications. I'm not exactly sure what they mean by this, but I think you can download applications made by Apple in the App Store, and you can open email attachments with that, which is pretty cool. Steve Jobs announced that you're going to have an iBook application now on the iPhone, just as they have with the iPad. So you're also going to get this cool thing called Game Center, which is basically a gaming application, and you can play games, download apps, they have matchmaking servers, ton of nice stuff with that. Now, this is another key feature in this whole event. There's a thing called iAd. Now, this is for mobile advertising. Before, they had the ads, and when you click them, it would open up Safari, and it would be annoying and really a pain. But now, with this iAd application, you can it'll keep the ads inside your application, so it will kind of be like a pop-up window rather than opening your browser. So the ads will be in HTML5 as well, so no Flash. Steve gave a demo with the Toy Story application. They're also going to have interactive ads, which I find kind of really interesting. You can have these games inside advertisements, which is really crazy in my opinion, but awesome. For the first time, actually, I'm excited for an advertisement on my device. The developer preview beta will be released today on April 8th of 2010, so developers can try it out. So the update will be available for the iPhone 3GS and iPod Touch 3rd generation, and the iPad, but it won't be on the iPad until fall of 2010, which is quite a while away, but it still will be available for the iPad. It also will be available for earlier models, such as the iPod Touch 2nd Gen and iPhone 3G, but you won't get any of the key features like multitasking and Game Center and all that kind of stuff, I believe. They didn't release any pricing options, however the prices are usually somewhere around the $10 to $15 range. Apple hasn't released official pricing options, but that's just my guess on that. Guys, thanks for watching. I know this has kind of been a boring video, but if you're into tech like myself, hopefully it was entertaining to you. If you like this video, subscribe, and I will catch you later.